One of the NSAS protesters gave birth in prison. A pastor in Akwa Ibom State murder his wife. Hello everyone, welcome back to this amazing channel. I greet you all with your time. Thank you so much for tuning in again. You guys are so amazing. God bless you for the love and support. Please, if you are new in the building, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell as to be getting more updates from us. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. Please leave us your comment each time you finish watching our video. Leave your comment, leave your opinion, and also share the video and like. God bless you guys. So this is a very quick one. Guys, this woman gave birth in the prison. I was so surprised when I saw this post. I say, what? You mean NSAS of 2020 last year? They hold a pregnant woman. They said the woman just took him that last year. And she was among the protesters that had been in prison since that last year up till now. My people, how can our government be this heartless? How can you people hold a pregnant woman that did not commit any crime? Is a citizen right to protest? Is this our right? What is their problem? Since last year till this very moment, we all know that to go through pregnancy for 9 months is not easy. Even when you have all the things you need, it's not easy. How much more in the prison? Men looking at the woman, you will see that, oh God, I really thank God for her life, because the woman did not look healthy at all. For God to have given her strength to push through and deliver successfully, I'm so happy. I thank God for her life and the newborn baby. Please guys, you guys should help us to share this video, because somebody have to do something. This woman don't need to remain in prison. How is she going to take care of innocent baby in prison, for Christ's sake? What is wrong with Buhari and this government? What is wrong with them? Please guys, you guys should share this video, my people. So to the next video now, to the next post, guys. This is a pastor in Akwa Ibom State. As you can see, where your meme in wife, my people. This man meme in wife in Abia State. Oh, now for happen. But they said the man are from Akwa Ibom State. So they said the name of the church now, Omega World Global Ministry. This one, not be small thing. Omega World Global Ministry. My people, this man meme in wife finish. They say they come begin the look for the wife. They no see am until after 2 weeks. Where be say the way they do, that is a no show like that. Like person where be say really they look for him wife. They say the youth where they the neighborhood. Now they come raise alarm say they suspect the husband. Now the thing contest start to. They say they come begin torture the man. Finally, come discover say yes, he murdered the woman, his own wife. Go bury him for shallow grave. What a word! All because of power. Because why will a pastor murder his own wife? Because if they look for power, quick miracle, so they go they perform miracle. I pity this generation church. I pity their members. So now their members now I just pity, because people like say that they brainwash una where una know they know what una they do again. Just look at the man. He look like hungry human being. Just look at. How can you kill your wife? For what reason? Which kind of power you they look for? Which kind of sham you they look for? My people, everybody should be careful this time around the kind of church you attend. I can't imagine this very one now will also be laying hand on people's head. I want to deliver you. I want to do this. This very one. God. They say the heart of men are really wicked. It's only God that really know what is the heart of men. Guys, leave your comment, share this video, and we all should be careful. Nobody say you should not be Christian, but be careful where you worship. Bye guys, God bless you. Leave your comment. Bye.